Racing Gas is started with Tiger Run. Break quickly at the start. Seeds of Wisdom is right behind in second. Pasencios Sugar Glaze is down on the inside. Perfect Moment in the middle, while Yellowstein is the early trailer by about 10 lengths of the leader. And as they swing down the back with Tiger Run, high balling in front, maintaining a 8 lengths lead. Moving up to take second is Pasencios. Running by the rail, third comes Seeds of Wisdom. 4 lengths further back in fourth comes entry number 2, and this one is Sugar Glaze. Alongside Pip comes Perfect Moment, while entry number 1 Yellowstein is still running at the tail of the field. Then at the far turn we have Tiger Run by about 4 lengths. Trying to get closer in second is Seeds of Wisdom. Pasenciosa is down in third. Perfect Moment. Then comes Sugar Glaze, and Yellowstein is still running at the tail of the field. Then they are now entering the home stretch. We have Tiger Run by about 2 lengths. Seeds of Wisdom in second. Perfect Moment is done in third. Last 100 meters, we have Tiger Run followed by Seeds of Wisdom, and finally Tiger Run second. Close between Yellowstein, then comes Seeds of Wisdom, Perfect Moment.
6134.